What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. New pickup. Just got these from UPS. Fresh from Nike. They released Saturday. Gonna do first-hand look. Open these up. Checks for defects. To start off, as you can see, it's sealed from Nike. With the Just Do It tape. Gonna cut this open. Cut it on both sides. And see what we have here. Box. Wow. So I got the old ones, the high tops, so I can display it on top. Here we have the Air Jordan 11 Retro Lows, white Legend Blue. These are Legend Blue Lows. I like the box. I like the color. The Carolina Blue, Oilers Blue, UNC, Baby Blue, whatever you want to call it. That's my favorite color. Of course, on the box, we got the Baby Blue Jumpman. Say Air Jordan. Got the Nike Air, like the throwback box. The back say Nike Air. The bottom, of course, has some information about Nike on there. This bottom is the high top Legend Blues. So slide this up, and then we're gonna open this. Inside, black paper. Take these out and get into first-hand look. Now, the first thing I noticed when I took them out the box, that the upper is leather, the tongue is material. So, of course, that will keep the shoe cleaner, being that the upper is leather. Drop down for this inspection. Got a little glue stain right there. Nothing major. No glue stain. So far, so good. And I'm guessing this leather on the upper is tumbled, which means it's kind of wrinkled or creased already, fresh off the box. So turn this around. Got a little dirt right there. Clean that off. We got the Baby Blue Jumpman on the back of both shoes. 2, 3, of course. We'll inspect the inside of the left shoe. Pretty good quality to me. Stop. You can see it right here. Fold it, tilt the shoe back. It's a big glue stain. But the shoe is all white, so it's kind of hard to tell unless you're up close on it. Oh, right here. Got a little mess up on the patent leather. Again, it's white, so it's not too noticeable. But this glue piece, you see that? It's a big thing for me. Turn. Toe box look good. No separation. No glue stains on the toe box. It's pretty good. Inspect the right shoe. No separation. Now you see this little piece sticking out. That's some glue or hair or something. I'm not gonna pull it off. I'm gonna leave it there. That's on the toe box. Inspect the inside. As always, they have them little nipples on there. That's how you tell real from fake. Sometimes the fake ones don't have that. I don't know if you can see that little piece better. Inside of the right shoe is good. Got a little, I don't know what that is. Tried to scrape it off, it wouldn't come off. I say pretty good quality, not too many mess ups. Again, you see the nipples that I was talking about. They always have those on the shoe right there. Pretty good. I'm satisfied with that. Not too bad. Few little imperfections, and then of course this bottom, it's that Carolina blue. Very icy. Very icy. Check your carbon fiber. And see right here. Got a little glue right there. That's pretty normal. Got another piece right there. On that carbon fiber, that's pretty normal getting them glue stains like that. And then of course, like I said at the beginning of the video, the upper is leather, then the tongue is mesh. Leather mesh. So the side of the shoe will stay cleaner because it's leather, easy wipe down. That tongue, once it get dirty, and you know usually your laces and your tongue get dirty first, you gotta clean that up. Turn this inside. We got the size, the 2-3, the chrome jump man, quality tag, and then your size tag on the inside. But again, just released Jordan 11 Lows Legend Blue. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.